what could it be in this envelope today? I'll give you a hint. It's from Amazon and it's art supplies. Let's see what kind of new mixed media art project is in store for me next. Can you guess what it is? Let's investigate further. Oh, here's a big hint. Can you see through there? It's a diamond painting unboxing. This diamond painting Amazon find is what's happening in today's studio vlog. Let's see what's in the box, or in the bag.
Also, thanks so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel.
This diamond art kit is bookmarks. It's a set of 4, and I'm not entirely certain if I'm going to use them as bookmarks. It's a corner bookmark, so you could slide your book page right in like that. I might use them as bookmarks, but I really liked the picture of them where they were displayed 4 different mandalas side by side like that, with the sparkly diamond stones on them for the diamond painting. Let's see what's in here. Diamond tray, wax, applicator tool, and oh, the luscious diamond gemstones.
The other idea that I had would be to use these to embellish the corner of a cover on a journal, such as an art journal or a junk journal. Think of how decadent and textural it would look. Opulent.
Beautiful colors, nicely labeled, all ready to go and be coordinated with each other. I'll drop a link in the description to this video of me doing some of this diamond art corner bookmark project. It looks really pretty and I'm excited to see what becomes of it. Thanks for watching this diamond painting Amazon find and diamond painting unboxing with me today, and subscribing for more mixed media art tutorials. I've also got a tutorial about putting the easy glaze over the top of your diamond paintings to protect them. Thank you for unboxing this fun DIY bookmaking craft with me today.